About 9:30 right now. We have what is a late night Ducati delivery. Oh shit. Gonna pull it inside and take a look.
We're doing something very exciting today. It's a new bike day, so let's go get it. We made it. Time to get a new bike. So we have found ourselves in Boise, Idaho, picking up a new bike we got off of an auction about 3 days ago. So my dad's just taking it for a little rip, and then we're gonna pop it on the trailer and take her home and add yet another Ducati to the collection. Much better.
About 9:30 right now. We have what is a late night Ducati delivery here at the Riders Club. I've seen pictures of it. I have not seen this bike yet. Let's check it out together.